So hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came here on a very important video and most demanding video related to the expected cutoff for digital and prime role. As you know, today was the exam for the first shift and first day was there, and we have already provided a dedicated video related to that. Okay, so if you haven't gone through it, so by the meantime I will suggest go through that. We have already provided you complete analysis with the coding questions they ask. Okay, so you can refer to our video, okay, this video, and almost within 3 hours almost 2000 students have gone through it. So I've also provided the PDF there. So for that means if you want a detailed analysis of today's exam, then you can go through that, and I'll say must go through that video because you will get idea. Okay, and those who are following our coding series, they got clarity that what level of coding question they are asking. बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि इतना easy आएगा क्या digital prime में. Now you can correlate with me. Okay, so that's the thing I want to tell you. Now let me come to the important point related to the cutoff for means cutoff. What could be the cutoff in this year? Okay, so first of all let me give you the what was the duration of exam. You know, you are very well aware of that. So for numerical total there were 20 questions. Okay, and let me just check some other color link. Yeah, so in numerical ability total 20 questions, you will get 25 minutes. For verbal 25 questions, 25 minutes, and for reasoning 20 question and 25 minutes. So in 20 question, if you have solved numerical ability around 8 to 10 questions, then you are in safe zone. Okay, so out of 20 question, if you have solved 8 to 10 questions, then you should be in safe zone. And remember, it completely depend on the exam level. Okay, so जैसा कि मैंने already आज बात किया कैंडिडेट से, so they said that numerical ability was quite hard. Okay, and hard and lengthy, so around 8 to 10. But if it will be easy, then 10 to 12 means if you have solved 10 or to 12 around question, then you are safe zone. You will be means you can clear the cutoff. Remember friend, there is no any hard and fast rule from the TCS team that if you will clear the apti part, then only you will move to the coding part, or they will judge means further. So ऐसा कोई means है नहीं कि sectional cutoff या ऐसा कुछ particular hard and fast rule. But yeah, if they are giving the foundation section or advanced section, then you have to perform well in foundation and advanced section, then only further your coding will be checked. So make sure to focus on these things too. Okay, so verbal 25 questions, so verbal will be quite easy. So if you have solved around 12 to 16 questions, now again it completely depend on the questions level of that, but around 15 question आपने अगर verbal में किया है सही, then you are in safe zone. Okay, and for reasoning ability, out of 20 question, if you have solved around 10 to 12, then you are in safe zone. Why I'm saying 10 to 12 question? Because reasoning is quite easy. Okay, and those who have solved, you can correlate it. Okay, now again saying friends, it depend on various factors, but ये मैं expected बता रहा हूँ after detailed analysis of various PYQs and other things. Okay, now talking about the advanced aptitude. So advanced aptitude जैसा कि इस बार भी है कि advanced just name है भाई. Questions are much easier than foundation section. So total around 14 to 15 questions will be there, and if you have solved 6 to 8 questions or 6 to 7 questions only, then you are in safe zone for this. Okay, must comment here how was your sections. But अगर easy ज़्यादा रहा, so around 8 to 10 you can say you are in safe zone. So this will be the complete cutoff for the foundational and advanced section. Now let me move to the coding cutoff. So what could be coding cutoff for the digital and prime role? So if you want to clear the for digital role, then you should solve one question completely. Now again saying, if you have solved 6 out of 7 test cases, then you are also in safe zone. No need to worry, you will be selected for the digital role, strong chance. And if the complexity of question is higher, then एक क्वेश्चन पे आप लोगों को प्राइम भी मिल सकता है. Yeah, I am giving you the real data. Okay, earlier also lots of candidates able to clear the exam just with one question, they got the prime. So that completely depend on your shift and number of questions other candidates are basically doing. Okay, क्योंकि normalization generally होता है इसमें. Okay, now if you have solved 1.5 to 2 question completely, then sure shot you will be selected for prime. So what I can say, especially to those candidates who have already given the exam, focus on the interview part 2. Okay, we have already provided the free preparation material, and जैसे ही आप लोग अगर interview कॉल आएगा, we will also schedule your mock interview. So if you are interested further, you can fill the form, but currently you should prepare the for the interview for related to coding questions, and DSA आप अच्छे से कर लीजिए, DBMS and other things. So मैं एक dedicated video बनाऊंगा, no need to worry about that. So must go through it, and those who have exam further, just best of luck. Believe on your preparation, believe on yourself. You will able to clear. Okay, now giving or basically watching our detailed analysis, now you will get the clarity that what the level of question they are asking. So you will get the, and you will basically able to crack. Just focus on these important day. Okay, and further also there are lots of hiring gonna announce. So if your exam is not went well, no need to worry, focus on other things. जो mistake was, so correct करे. This is not the real time to waste your time on overthinking. Okay, अगर अच्छा गया, congrats, and keep preparing for or keep applying for other off campus drive. We are already posting lots of important job update here, so you can subscribe us and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. So best of luck, who have further exam. Thank you.